Hey guys, this is Smiles from Swiss Crypto Podcast, and in this video I'm gonna talk about crypto terms that are a must know when you get invested. So stay tuned and let's get into it. Before we start, a quick disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor, and whatever I say should not be taken as any legal tax or financial advice. Please always do your own research before you invest into anything. So guys, I recently thought about making this video because I believe knowing specific terms in the cryptocurrency is just vital. There are some terms that you won't understand if you haven't read about them. So I gathered for you the most important terms that I know, that I think that will help newbies that come into the crypto space. Those are the 13 most important terms, in my opinion. I will give you a little overview over them, will explain them to you, and I hope you can use them. The first one is EOY, which means end of the year. You will read about that or hear about that abbreviation most of the time when people talk about price prediction of a specific coin or an asset. So when they talk about this coin will be $10 at EOY, it just means this end of the year. And also about the price is this one, ATH, which means all-time high, and it's basically exactly what it says. It's just the highest price that has ever been paid for this specific coin. For example, Bitcoin was the ATH at about 19.6k, I'm not sure, 20,000, something about that. A term that you should already know of or heard of if you were already invested into other assets than cryptocurrency is fiat. You probably already heard about this one. It just means this is government issued currency like dollar or euro. Basically every other currency that isn't cryptocurrency and has been issued by a government is fiat currency. Market cap or market capitalization is the total value that is held in a cryptocurrency. It's calculated just by multiplying the total supply of coin by the current price of a coin. So it's very easily calculated, and some people believe you can't use the market capitalization in the crypto space because we can't imagine a ceiling to a specific to this specific market already, because it's just in its early stages. So we'll see. But whenever someone talks about the market cap of Bitcoin, then it just means all Bitcoins that are there multiplied by the current price of this coin. The most interesting one for you, if you think about cashing out or for writing your taxes, is the ROI, which means return on investment. This is just a percentage of how much money that has been made compared to the initial investment. So this is important for you if you think about cashing out, if you want to do cashing out points, if you want to set those points in the future, so you know the percentage of how much money you made there. Now this term is not a very strong one, not a very important one, but I think everyone knows it who is in the cryptocurrency space, which means Hodel. That was invented by, legend says, a drunk guy who posted into a cryptocurrency forum, and wanted to tell other people that they should hold their coins and go long term and not short term. And he was so drunk that he just made a typo, and instead of hold, he just wrote Hodel. All the people use it in the cryptocurrency space, so whenever someone tells you to hodl a coin, or that it's better to hodl a coin, then it just means you should go long term rather than short term. The next two terms are also very important and play quite a big role in this young space. This one, FOMO, means fear of missing out. You will be subject to this one, I believe, for sure. It just means that when a coin suddenly shoots up in price, you'll get the fear that this could be the last possible moment to buy this coin at this price, and that we won't see this price ever again. So you FOMO into that coin. You buy that coin because you fear you're missing out on this moment or this possibility. And the exact opposite of FOMO is FUD, which is the abbreviation for fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And this is usually just negativity spread by a newspaper or spread by someone that hates a specific coin, that spreads negativity or uncertainty on different assets. Yeah, it's quite the opposite of FOMO. A whale, you will read about this one from time to time. A whale is someone that owns absurd amounts of a cryptocurrency, and that therefore can influence the market movement, market price of a specific coin. Whenever a coin shoots up in price, it is likely that a whale was selling or buying this specific coin and putting a lot of money into one coin or out of a coin. So a lot of people look at this, and what do? They FOMO into it if the price goes up, because they saw there's a lot of money behind it. Just so you know, a whale is someone with a lot of money in cryptocurrency. Pump and dump is, yeah, I kind of talked about this one already. It's when a coin gets a lot of attention, it will pump up, leading to a fast price increase, but this increase is only to be followed by a huge crash, and the price goes down again. A lot of people suspect McAfee to pump and dump specific coins, because McAfee is a celebrity. He has a lot of followers on Twitter, and a lot of people suspected that he just tweeted specific coins there. He told his followers, oh, how good those coins are. All the people FOMO'd into that coin because McAfee told them it's a super coin. The price pumped up. People suspect McAfee to then sell his coins, and what can you expect? The price dumped again after some hours, some days again, because the coin that he mentioned hasn't any value behind it. The next two ones you will hear a lot. It's bearish and bullish. Bearish movement or a bear market means that there is the expectation that the price is going to decrease, so that the value or the price of a coin is going down. This could be to bad news or someone of a board member leaving the company behind the coin. Yeah, so this is just a sentiment that the price could fall again. Bullish is the opposite. Bullish sentiment or a bull market, when the expectation is that the price is going to rise. Also due good news, some project that has been released from the company behind the coin, some relationships that the company just made public, etc. And the last one, most important one for me, is cold storage. You've probably already heard about it. It just means that you are moving your cryptocurrency offline to save it from potential hacking. You can do that with a paper wallet, with an USB drive, with a wallet on it. That USB drive has never seen or touched the internet before. You can also do that with a Ledger Nano S. I have a link for that in the description. It's an affiliate link. Please use that to support the channel if you want. And you can also do that with a Trezor, for example. There are different ones. I think this is a very important thing, because you have to know how you want to store your cryptocurrency. If you are happy with leaving it on an exchange, please do so. But be aware of the risks that there are, that you could be hacked, that the exchange could be hacked. Yeah. So guys, these were the 13 most important terms in the cryptocurrency space that I believe are good to know for newbies that come into the cryptocurrency space, that want to invest in crypto. I hope I helped you. Hope I gave you an overview over these terms. Thanks for listening. Please don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.